So this church is an Anglican church, partly ruined. It stands alone and is a Grade 2 listed building. There are two parts to the church which are still in use, and services are held at 9 AM on the fourth Sunday of every month from Easter to September. The church dates from the 15th century. The roof, the nave, collapsed in a storm on 15th of July 1752. They say that it collapsed due to a lightning strike hitting it. The chancel is known to have been in use in 1762. It was restored in 1872, still in regular use. Please hit a like button, please subscribe, and let's get into the video. So welcome to Benslife. On the way back from somewhere we've been, we've just come across this church which has just been like, I don't know really, it's like a ruin, but it also looks like it's semi in use as well. So here you go, walk through here and look at it. So you got all the graveyards and stuff, but this is a church ruin. I'm not sure, maybe if COVID wasn't on you might have been able to get in here. They might have left it open. We'll have a look through the window. Yeah, if COVID wasn't on, I can see inside. Here you go. They got hand gels and stuff. Well, shall we try it? We'll try it. Ah, that's locked. There's hand gel in there, so you probably could have gone in there at some point. So I'm with Sam and I'm with Jase. Go follow Sam, and Jase wants to stay hidden, so do not go follow Jase. But here we go. Like up here. It's a complete mess. I don't even know the name of this church really. It's just something we happen to find along the way. So this here is when one of the spires where you used to be able to climb up.
There's a whole swarm.
Look at this in here, one of the arches. We're gonna have a little sneak through, just have a little look around here. So I'm gonna be quick in here, but this is it inside. And look at that down the middle, the crack. That's amazing. Yes. Look at that. That is amazing. Do you like it, Sam?
It's the best place I think I've ever been to.
This is sick, isn't it? And look, you got an archway here.
All I want is round, yeah, round, yeah. Found you, did it all alone, looking down your phone.
So obviously up here is where the tower was for the church, and the bell would have been up and around here. but that's all that's left. So we're going to get some drone shots from the outside. I'm going to go do the graveyard. So it should be quite fun. It's a pretty cool church this is. I like it a lot. But yeah, this is it. Please hit that like button, please subscribe and keep watching because it's going to get better. And now I'm going to turn this graveyard, like these few like little graves here, and these ones over here. One sec. Oh, I got a wasp around me. Ah! I hate wasps. I'm going to turn the... Go away, man! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Right, I'm keeping out of the video. Anyway, we're going to be going around these graves and getting like well nice photos and videos. I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, I'll also do something with this gate as well, and that'll be in the intro, so catch you in a bit.